Hello and welcome to Forex Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discuss how crypto banks will eat the fiat banks in 3 years or even less, the opinions of a CEO. Mark Binns, the CEO of BIGG Digital Assets Incorporated, believes that the future of crypto will be a bit different than what most people think. He believes that the crypto sector will become a safe, compliant, and regulated environment. He voiced these opinions in an article published by Cointelegraph, where he spoke of the future of crypto he imagines. Binns said that a future where customers are going to be able to walk into any bank and gain access to credit products, investments, and saving accounts that can host both crypto assets and fiat assets. Kraken, a cryptocurrency exchange giant based in San Francisco, has become the first ever cryptocurrency business in the US to become a bank. At the moment, being an officially chartered bank would mean that Kraken will be able to offer even more banking and funding options to existing customers than it's offering now. It also means that Kraken Financial will be able to operate in multiple jurisdictions without a fear of having to deal with state-by-state compliance. Kraken is currently working with Silveridge Bank in hopes of offering its US customers SWIFT and FedWire funding options. More and more partnerships such as this one will become the status quo in future. Binns is calling out traditional banks, saying that now is the time for the ones lagging behind to start paying attention to the market development. Silvergate Bank is one step ahead of the rest at the moment, as it is currently having almost 900 digital assets companies as clients. Those clients have made deposits of over $1.5 billion with the bank. While this is still a small amount of money in relative terms, clients are dipping their toes in the crypto sector will almost certainly choose this bank. Consumers will most likely define a full-service bank as one that offers financial services in fiat as well as crypto. Blockchain forensics tools. Just like crime scene investigators can use blacklight or fingerprint powder to detect all kinds of evidence, blockchain forensics investigators can do to Bitcoin and other blockchains. People claiming that Bitcoin is completely private have been dispelled again and again. In fact, blockchain-based cryptocurrencies are much more open to investigation methods than regular fiat currencies. Binns said that, as it is certainly possible to uncover the origins of blockchain transactions, blockchain will become part of the traditional banking system rather than putting banks out of business. Blockchain forensics tools already exist, and they're allowing investigators to follow digital paper trails across multiple addresses, wallets, transactions, blockchains, as well as other digital entities, all by using techniques such as clustering and heuristics. Companies in the blockchain forensics space are developing proprietary searching algorithms designed specifically to detect the origins of concealed funds. On the other hand, traditional fiat is still the currency of choice for most money laundering professionals, simply due to it being very hard to track. DeFi is not for everyone. The decentralized finance sector has been the hot topic of the crypto sector for a while now, as it holds virtually endless promise. While yield farming may be all the rage, DeFi sector is so much more than just that. Some examples of DeFi usage are allowing you to take technical and fundamental trading advice from experienced traders and only paying a fee if the call is correct. You can put your capital into various digital investment portfolios without having to pay fees to mutual funds. Investors can hold derivatives of the desired cryptocurrencies without having to switch between the blockchains. These innovations are just some of the opportunities that DeFi provides. As the market continues to mature, more DeFi projects will allow us to do things that we aren't even thinking about right now. However, there is one fundamental problem with all the benefits decentralized finance provides. The average banking customer isn't going to engage with DeFi protocols for decades. While most of the crypto enthusiasts know how to dig up contract addresses of an ERC20 token, then trade it on decentralized exchanges, and then invest the token through lending platforms or liquidity pools, the average person will still likely want to talk to a banker from time to time. On top of that, governments around the world are already working on their own government-backed digital currencies, which the average consumer will go for instead of DeFi, at least at first, and simply due to the trust that people have in the government. What if banks don't comply? Binns said that any bank that is still approaching cryptocurrency with fear over the next 18 months is at great risk of finding itself dead in the water, while Kraken and other banks that enter the market will create a huge advantage for themselves. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.